Frankie B. And this is Uptown Swing level 1 6 count. We basically reviewed everything that was taught this month. So we'll touch on a couple things. We'll go right into the tuck turn. So we started to make that rock step a little bit more circular. So we thought about opening it up here. So we start the rotation into that tuck turn. Rock step, triple step, triple step. Also, we want to back up a little bit for you. We want to be making sure we're indicating early that this hand is moving up. So we don't want to do a last minute over the head thing. We're guiding the follower to go out in front of us, and the follower will go underneath our arm. Rock step, triple step, right into the pass by or change places. Triple step. And one note about that is the follower is going to stay on the line, and the leader just opens the door so she can go live. You don't have to be like stepping all the way out. So you just make enough room for the follower to rise. So we have our tuck turn, rock step, triple step, move back on that line. And then we went through Frankie's sixes. Let's do it that way. We'll just run a little wrong. Starts with that tuck turn. Rock step, triple step, change the hands. Rock step, triple step, sneakle step. I'm going to show you that I'm really moving backwards fingers on that diagonal here. Triple step right into my rock step and travel. Rock step, do da. And we worked on the one thing which was rock step down. And I was emphasizing the down. It's not just a stomp. It's not just boom, pop, pop. We want to get our bodies down into it. Rock step down. And as we do that stomp off, I'm using that to go into my rock step. I'm not just stomping in place. I'm going to stomp off. Rock step. Okay, that once you see that, let's do it right here. Stop and shake. Rock step. Stomp off. Rock step.